How you can fix the GCash update problem. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix your GCash update problems. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So the first step that you have to do is go into your app store or the play store that you are using, and from here you have to go in the search and simply search for your GCash. Now you just have to click on it and you have the option to update your GCash, so you just have to update it. And if you are still not able to update it, for that you have to go back and go into your phone settings. Now you just have to scroll down and go in the general and click on the iPhone storage, and if you are in the Android you have to go into your app management settings. Now you just have to again scroll down and go in the GCache. Now here is the option to offload the app. You just have to click on it, and in the Android you have to clear the cache of your GCache. And after that, once you offload the app, if the problem still not fixed, so you just have the last option, and that is you just have to reinstall it. You just have to go into your GCache app and you have to remove the app and delete it, and you have to again download it, and you are able to fix the GCache update problem. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.